he uses a billion adjustments. C.
I'm stabbing the person with the phone to someone who watches door all the time for no reason.
I'm passing the phone to someone who has the cutest OC.
I'm passing the phone to someone who is friends with me.
I passed the phone to someone who's a simp for Salar.
I'm passing the phone to someone with a lot of pets.
Passing the phone to someone who's afraid to use their voice.
I'm passing the phone to someone who likes
dogs. Wait, what the fuck? I'm passing the phone to someone who loves Harry Potter.
Passing it to someone who swims for swimming.